Hey, good morning, fellas. Good morning, good morning. It is Friday. Let's have a good day today, folks. Hey, Namak, good morning. Good to see you, Namak. I have not had a chance to go through your trades. We were invited somewhere last night. But I will be doing it this weekend, Namak. I will be doing it this weekend, I promise. Amakre, good morning. Timbo, good morning. Here's Johnny. Peter Shapp, good morning. R5 Studios, good to see you. Good morning. Sin City Futures, good morning. Hey, I just saw we're one sub away from 12,400 subs. Yay. Yeah. I can't find my glasses again today. I guarantee you I don't know how this is going to go when I get old, because I literally cleaned my glasses this morning, literally a half hour ago, and I can't find them. It's crazy. I know I'm like, I had them somewhere right here, and they're nowhere to be found. I don't know, man. Good morning, Gutenberg. Mr. Push Up, good morning. Captain Kirk, good morning. Down $80 already? You be fine. Yeah, today doesn't look like a promising day. Today does not. Overnight session was not really that eventful. I mean, I guess it was kind of. We had a 100-point move from the 465s down to the 365s here at basically at midnight to 5 o'clock this morning, but we'll see. We'll see what this market wants to do, but I'm not going to be surprised if we don't see great moves today. UCLA Trades. Hey, good morning. How's it going? Mr. Wall Street, good morning. John, good morning. Torsten, good morning. You're done 57,000. Uh-oh, Cody needs me. We're back. All right. Found my glasses. Let's go. Oh, man. All right. Market pulling back here right before the open. Let's see. I don't know what. I have no idea what to expect today. Partially think we're just going to go sideways. I kind of expect we go sideways or lower today. Just kind of expect that. Oh, hey, good morning, Martin AP. Good morning, Captain Kirk, Mr. Pushup, Blue, Go and Trades. Hey, Go and Trades. Good morning, Captain Kirk. Larry Hudo. Trading Ever After. Good morning. First thing to go is eyesight, then the memory. Oh, it doesn't look good for me, John. It does not sound good for me. Oh, man. All right, market is open. Let's see what we do here. Looks like we're just going to rip it lower. Yep, there she goes. Now, the overnight lows are... Actually, that was the overnight. So we're opening at the lows of the overnight session. That's very interesting. Let's see what that means. Now, we do have the yesterday's low all the way down here at the 301s. So definitely looking like it's wanting to be a red day. As we continue to push lower all the way down to the 320s. There we go through the 320s. Expect we get a bounce here somewhere, either the 320s or the 300s. Let's see. All right, getting a little bit of a bounce here. All the way up here to the 340s. All right, let's see if we get a bounce here. Looks like we want to bounce. Let's see if we can, I don't know, maybe test the 360s again. But it is feeling pretty heavy this morning. Okay, now right back down. Let's see if we take out the 320s here. We did not get much of a bounce. Did not get much of a bounce at all. Maybe it'll bounce here. We need to get above that 345. Hey, good morning, Ponzi. Ponzi is in the house. How's it going? Max 90, good morning. Jay Dez, good morning. Jack Wiley, good morning. Jimmy K, good morning. Gandalf, good morning. How we doing? Let's see. Maybe we break above the 45s here. Oh, there we go. Now let's see if we can push above the 360s. Yeah, I don't know. It just feels very heavy. Feels very heavy. I think we're going lower. This is the only times that I get really like, it'd be so tempting to take a short here. And look at that, right back down. Oh, I'm right back down to the 320s. I think we're going lower. I really do. I think we're going to go test the 300s and possibly even lower. It's just looking very heavy. But let's wait and see. All right, 320s. Hey, look at that, and we're right back up. Wow, what a chop fest here. What a chop fest. We can't seem to get anything going. We're chopping right between the 345s and the 320s. Yucky price action right here. All right, you got to think we're going to go lower here. See if we break through that 320. Testing that 320 again. Got to think we're going to go lower. Here we go. Maybe. Hey, good morning, Josh. TCG Andy, good morning. Good morning. Are you serious? We're just going to chop back and forth here. Imagine a day where we just trade a 32-point range all day long. That would be crazy. Good morning, Batch. Yeah, Mr. Pushup, I feel the same way. Have you ever gotten up in the morning and you're just like, man, I think the day is gonna be one of those days. Unbelievable. It actually is just gonna go back up and test that 50 area again. This is crazy. Crazy times right here. I want to go short. I don't know why I have such a strong urge to go short here. Ugh. I did it. I'm doing it. I might regret this. This might have been a bad idea. Uh-oh. Oh, this was a terrible idea. That's a yikes. Got impatient. That's going to stop us out here. Of course. I deserve a loss here. I deserve it. I actually deserve it. What am I thinking jumping in like that? Ay, ay, ay. That was just a dumb trade. I deserve it. Whatever happens here, just please don't go lower now. Please don't do it. You've got to be kidding me. Please rip higher. Please rip higher. Come on. You can do it. Go higher. Come on. I'm okay with taking a loss here totally if this keeps going higher. If this reverses right here and rips lower now, we're going to have a bad Friday. We are not going to have a good time. That's it. Rip it. Just rip it. Come on. Do it. Dang it. All right. I feel better already. We're going to chalk that up as a bad trade and being impatient. Just bad. Not following my strategy at all. Just jumping in out of the blue. Hate when I do that. All right. Still, the market is, I mean, it's just kind of it's a very slow opening. You're short here. Here's Johnny. Hey, good luck, sir. Hey, Sharuz, good morning. How's it going? Now that we're above, now that we've pushed above the 15-minute opening range, I'm curious if we don't test the 376s at least. Man, in looking at that trade makes me cringe. That makes me cringe so hard. Oh, I know. What was I thinking? Black Coffee Trader, good morning. Such a it's been a while since I've done that. I don't know what made me do it this morning. All right, let's see if we hold above this 350 area. Let's see if we hold. It does look like we want to go higher. Yeah, I was chasing FOMO and I felt so confident that it's going to rip below the 320s. I felt so confident it was going to go down to the 300s. And that kind of overwhelmed me. Hang on, I need to go. Cody needs me. you go.
Hi.
Tell everybody hi.
Hi, everybody.
Good morning. Now, can you tell everybody that your arm is okay?
My arm is okay.
Can you tell them what happened?
I fell on the steps.
No, you fell on the bunk bed, remember?
Bunk bed.
Yeah, then what did the doctor do?
It will fix me.
Yeah, the doctor fixed you. Now it's all better.
Now it's all better.
Okay. Now, can you tell everybody bye?
Bye.
I'm back. Oh my goodness, I should not be running up any stairs. Oh man. All right, we are making a push higher. Making the push. And we have some resistance right here at the 370s. Let's see if we push through that. Any update on the house in Florida? Actually, yes. So, got in contact with the landlord down there, and everything's fine. They had some debris to clean up, but other than that, everything was fine. No issues. Wow, look at this pullback. Let's see, pull back to the 15-minute opening range here. Let's see what we do here. Man, if I almost want to, if we go below this, yeah, I don't want to be in this. It looks like it's still pretty bullish. She ripping now. Man, if this fails though, if it doesn't fail, then I'm not taking it. Yeah, it looks like we want to continue higher. We're bouncing off that 15-minute opening range high. And yep, that is totally fine. Let's see if we can make new highs here, 370s. Let's see if we get above the 370s. And then let's see what we do with VWAP. Does the market care about VWAP right now? Yeah, Black Coffee, I hear you. It is kind of, me and the wife were just talking about it last night. We are literally moving in 2.5 weeks. 2.5 weeks. I am not ready. I don't feel ready. Oh, I don't know, man. I'm kind of starting to get a little bit scared. No money, no accounts. Trading ever after. Apex says they sent it on Monday. Now it is Friday. Make sure the account and routing number was right. Just not there. If a payment takes seconds, pay take. Yeah, trading ever after. I mean, technically they say 3 to 7 business days, but usually it takes, like, from what my experience, it usually takes around 4 days. But are you international trading ever after? Actually, no, you can't be international. If I'm moving to Florida permanently, no, I'm just moving to Florida for the winter. Trying to get to a warmer climate over the winter for my see if my lung condition won't get better. I can already tell my lungs are not, like, it's already not, it's deteriorating. Just by a couple cold nights and cold mornings, I can already tell a difference. By the way, last night here in Ohio, we could see the northern lights. We could see the northern lights last night. It was pretty cool. Yeah, Namak, I do think I need to change my diet, and I've kind of procrastinated about changing my diet. But I do need to. I want to try a couple different things and see if that won't help as well. All right, market. Feel like I could try another short right here, but just we're above the EMA here now. We're going to bump our head here at the opening range high. Just not sure that I want to risk it. The keto diet gets rid of all sorts of... Yeah, Namak, that's actually the diet that I would be going on. The diet I would be looking at going on is the keto. The keto diet is what I would be looking for. Hey, Kellyanne in the house. How we doing? Good morning, Kellyanne. First trade was a ghosties and should have taken the flat day, but nope, ended half red. Yeah, Kellyanne, I just did a stupid trade. I did not follow my strategy, didn't follow my rules, just jumped in. Literally jumped in the middle of a range, and I fully deserved that loss. I fully deserved it. Okay, whoa! Was there news? I guess there was news at 10 o'clock. Well, excuse me, sir. What? It's not even 10. What happened? What was that? Imagine if I was short right there. What was that? News at 10, but it's not 10 o'clock yet. That came like that spike came like 30 seconds earlier. Someone was front running those numbers. We all know who it was. Do we need to say it? It was Nancy Pelosi. That's right. I'll say it. Sorry, Sharu. That was weird. Yeah, there were numbers at 10. You only said it 2 times, John. I'm sorry. You guys are better at watching the news than I am. It was on time? Okay, maybe my clock is off by a little bit. It was ICT. It was Patrick Whelan. I like how Patrick Whelan now plays the victim card. It's like, oh, everybody wants to accuse me of photoshopping. When I'm like, yeah, the reason people accuse you of photoshopping is because you've been caught multiple times doing it. That's why. Don't act shocked and freaked out like you don't know why. Like, geez, come on. All right. Wow, this market decided, you know what? Why don't we just go higher? Yeah, that'd be a great idea. Let's go up. All right, we are up here at the VWAP. Let's see if is today a day that the market cares about VWAP. VWAP lives matter today or not? Let's see. You think 280 expected low and then up? Yeah, I mean, I was looking at the 300s right here, that we maybe test the 300s, but it doesn't really feel like the market's interested. Wow, that's a big wick here. That is a big wick. Maybe we are going lower. Very volatile all of a sudden. Very volatile price action here. Let's wait and see. Wait and see. Yeah, it seems like a day. Today does seem like a great day to just go golfing. It has been a hot second since I've gone golfing, so maybe. It's been at least a week since I've played golf. Let's put it that way. Okay, market. It might just be one of those days. One of those days where we just go sideways, choppy, kind of crazy price action. ES is really bullish. All right, take care, Kellyanne. Hey, nicely done, Sharoos. Hey, Design Knob in the building. Good morning, Design. Good morning. Everything was frozen, John? On what platform? Okay, are we gonna go higher or not? Man, oh, I'm told you, I'm so tempted off the low here. Feel like a long right here would be a pretty decent trade, but it's just very volatile right now. She volatile. All right, let's see if we can get above that VWAP. Hey, Orlando. Good morning, Orlando. Mikey, good morning. Yes, I agree. Let's get some good trades. Hey, Ron, Ned, good morning. Randomizer, good morning. If I have 5 limit orders at 5 different levels with a common stop and they all get triggered, is that DCA? I mean, yeah, technically, if you have orders sitting down here and you have 3 orders in a row, like right here, then yeah, technically that would be DCA. Now, if you have a buy stop order going higher, that would not be. But man, look at this rip higher. We are ripping it. We are now above the VWAP and going strong. She ripping, folks. Now, can we get above that 400 level? Wow, what a rip. Feels very bullish all of a sudden. Very volatile as well. There we go, above the 400s. This is ripping. Ripping it higher. Will it continue? Obviously, we have the pivot point all the way up here at the 415s. We got, let's see if we take that out, and then we have the overnight. The overnight high is sitting all the way up here at the 467s. So we got a ways to go yet. We got some room. We got room here. But man, this is very volatile. Very volatile all of a sudden. See if we get a little bit of a pullback here. I mean, it's tempting just to jump in here, but yeah, there we go. Let's see if we take out that 415 area. Anybody catch that breakout above the VWAP? Man, right here I was really, really close to pulling the trigger, but the volatility kind of scared me away. Probably should have done it. The shoulda, coulda, wouldas. All right, here we go. See if we can take out that 415 area. Here we go. Nope. Doesn't look like she wants to do it at this time. Could be in for a pullback here. You did design? Let's go. Let's go. All right, here we go. Let's see if we take out that 415. Right. We went right to it. All right, here we go. Let's see if we break through it. There she goes. There she blows. 420s now. Man, what a bullish move. Oh, yeah. Man, I wish I could be in some of these moves. All it takes is a Fed pumper. Look at this move. Wow. I'm starting to get some serious FOMO here. I am starting to get some serious FOMO. You cannot be in these moves when you do not understand the market. Oh, yes, that's right, Cypher. Let me guess, you're an ICT trader. I told you. What a rip here. What a rip. I mean, it's looking like it's not done yet. It just wants to keep going. You know we're going to get a pullback here soon. At least you would think so. At least you would think we would get a pullback. But maybe not. Yeah, exactly, Design. You guys don't understand the market, okay? You just don't understand. Hey, special guest, how we doing? One day I'll understand. Nvidia broke out? Oh, that might be part of the reason. I am Tucker's neighbor. Trading her after. We've got some new people in here this morning. Hello, everybody new. Hello. This is what we do. Come on, give us a pullback. You know this pullback's going to come, and it's going to be a steep one. It's going to be a steep pullback. Anybody have a course where I can understand the market? I don't know. We got to ask maybe Cypher. Cypher, could you share us a course or something? Please help us out. How do we understand the market? Cypher, I already proved that I know what the market is doing. I'm using a different account. See, I called it. I called it. This guy's ICT. I knew it. I can call out those ICT douchebags from a mile away. Oh, man. Sucks to suck, buddy. The Cypher is the alt account for Kyle S. Guaranteed. You must be really pathetic kind of human being to have to feel the need to make alt accounts when you get banned. Let me switch back to my other account. You go do that, sir. Oh, yeah, I hate to see it. All right, market it's just going straight up, folks. I don't know what to do here. Uh-oh. That. Hey, Edmar, how we doing? Yeah, I'm still waiting. Cypher, please. We're waiting for you to educate us. Please tell us. Man, oh man, that's a crazy rip higher. All right, is this the pullback? Is this it? Can we get a pullback? You know the pullback's going to be a lot deeper than what I expect. So I'm going to try to be patient. This is just very overextended right now. That move happened at the top of the hour, like I called. Yeah, Mr. Push Up. Right at 10 o'clock, we had this news come out. We spiked lower and then just ripped this thing higher. Crazy. Sam Owen, how do you know you're talking to an ICT trader? Don't worry, they will tell you. That's very true. You can also just tell, you can tell by the way they talk about the market that they just come across as a know-it-all. Like anytime you have someone talking like they know everything, like a know-it-all, that is always a sure sign it's ICT. It's quite comical. Hey, Esther in the house. How we doing, Esther? Good to see you. Hope everything's going great. He'll show up like a turtle head. Ninja Trader 8 getting all glitchy? Really? Mine seems to be okay, but I'll keep an eye out. Esther, you came at the wrong time. We had some ICT fanboys this morning that we had to take care of. Man, we're not pulling back much at all. Again, we got the overnight highs up here at the 470s. So you'd think we go test these, but I guess we never know. Unbelievable. Oh, wow. Look at that. We're just, this is crazy. We just go higher. Esther, you're welcome. Thank you. Even my video ended up being way longer than what I wanted it to be, but I didn't know how else to go about it. It's kind of hard to do a video like that. Okay, now pulling back. We're seeing a little bit of a consolidation up here. So maybe we pull back. I just need this to pull back like down to the 415, 420 area. Just something. Something. Hey, Rob Moores, have you advised Apex to give us a 99% discount yet? I have not. I have not. Captain Kirk. We're off to a hot start this morning. Oh, excuse me. Whew. You're short from 453. Kiss me, I cook. Good luck, sir. You're looking pretty good. I don't know where your profit target is, but that's a decent move. 453s down to the 430s. The 85 lifetime fee is still there. I activated some accounts today. Yeah, I discovered that, or someone told me. Thank you, Sharuz. But that's good to see. Good to see that the lifetime fee is still active. And it does make me believe that they're just going to keep that. I did talk to them a little bit about, and Apex did mention that part of the reason that they want to keep doing the $85 one-time fee is just to motivate people to keep their PA accounts for a longer time. Because I think if you're doing the monthly fees and the 85 monthly fees, and you have a PA account coming up that's only at $500 in drawdown, it's just not really it's not good money spent to pay another $85 for a $500 drawdown. So hopefully they just make that a default option. I wouldn't be surprised though that they, the larger accounts, they make a little bit higher price than the flat $85 fee, but I don't know. We'll see. Cypher, you switched to this account. Well, here's a shocker, Cypher. We can't see you when you're typing in your other account. And here's why. Because you're banned. And now you might be banned on that account too. If you can't tell, Cypher, you got to read the room. And if you can't tell, I'll just be blunt with you. We do not care what kind of expertise and insane knowledge that you have with the markets. It really don't matter. We really don't care. Go yell into the abyss. Yell into the abyss. All right, we are definitely consolidating up here at the 50s. So now we just wait. I mean, I would love to see a little bigger pullback. I would love to see a bigger pullback here. And then give us an opportunity here to get in. And then I'm going to try to see if we can't. I'm going to use the micros. We're going to do the 10 micro trade again. And this time, you guys, oh no, it just broke out without me. You little prick. Gosh. Never mind, Cypher. Please come back. Need you to tell us about the market. Look at this market. What is going on? Jeez. Like, that is insanity. Is there news? Like, what am I missing here, folks? Wow. Absolutely crazy. This is where the FOMO starts to really ramp up. It's just crazy how we just straight up no pullbacks to speak of. I mean, we have some pullback, but very little pullbacks. Like, this is just a consolidation. It's not even really a pullback. And then we just rip straight to new highs. We are now above the overnight high. And yesterday's session high is all the way up there at the 510s. 510s. And I'm about to jump in here. I'm about to just jump in and hold on. Do not tell anyone. I know as soon as I jump in, this is going to be the top. NVIDIA and Amazon options heading into earnings. Okay. When is earnings? Yeah. When you don't understand the market, you miss these moves. That's right, design. Yeah, I know, design. That is so true. Like, this thing can rip lower just as fast as it can rip higher. I've been there and done that, seen it. I've got the scars to show. Can we get a pullback? Don't buy the top? Yeah, I know. I know. Tell me about it. I'm just waiting. I want to see a bigger, I mean, at this point, if we pull back now to this 40, 44 area, then maybe. Okay, there's a pullback. There's our first, maybe our first significant pullback here. Now we just gotta wait. Hold. Please don't just rip higher immediately now. Don't do it. I'm not jumping in here. I'm not doing it. You kidding me? Is it actually just gonna rip straight back up? Man. I give up. I give up if this just goes straight back up now. There's just no way. No shot. Oh, really, Esther? You're in gold long? Ah. There we go. Come on, pull back just a little bit. Okay, maybe we get a bigger pullback here. Like the 40s would be nice. Got to be careful with these fake outs that you got to know. I've got a feeling they're coming. All right, now we're getting a little bigger pullback here. Everybody hold the line. That's why you just got to be careful that that pullback is not a big reversal. It's always a concern. Yeah, Sharuz, it's crazy. I mean, if you got in on the move, then you're pretty much done for the day. I would say. If you caught this up move, I would stop trading for the day because I think this thing could, I don't know, it could do a little bit of anything. I feel like it could just as easily reverse and pull all the way back down again. I also wouldn't be shocked if we just absolutely rip higher. So I am really just not sure what it's going to do. I mean, technically here, I guess I should have taken this. I should have taken this entry right here. Oh, see, I'm now, now it's just going to frustrate me. Oh, sorry, I was muted. First mute in probably 6 months. First mute in 6 months, so I feel pretty good about that. But as I was saying, I know, Mikey. I know I missed it. I don't know why I didn't take it. Just didn't trust it. But my job is to take my setups. My job is not to predict my setup result. I need to be constantly reminded of that. I need to be constantly reminded of that. Is my job is not to predict. My job is to take my setups, and then what happens? What happens happens. I said that last time you were here, Esther. I'm not surprised. It is something I struggle with. It is something I'm working on. I just feel like it's not good. It's not good. It's all right. Hey, okay, now we maybe double top here. So now I just need a bigger pullback. Need a bigger pullback, and let's see what happens. Let's just be patient and see what happens. But we should not take all our setups. If it's a good setup, we should take all our setups. I think that's my opinion. Because if you don't take your good setups and you try to predict the outcome, then, I mean, what's the point? Hmm. Man. I'm okay not taking this trade because we double topped here, so we technically need to break through here, make new highs, wait for that next pullback technically. So I'm not taking this setup. I'm not taking this trade. But yeah, if you see certain market conditions that you don't like, I think it's okay to use discretion on your setups, but with caution. With caution, because at least for me, I guess to each his own. We all have to trade however we want to. But my problem is when I start trying to predict my setup results, like when I try to predict, then it messes with me, because if I'm like, let's not take this setup, and then it works out. So now I just lost some mental capital. Then the next setup I take and then it loses. Now I'm really in a bad place, because I've been trying to predict my results. I've been trying to predict my results instead of just, if I just take my setups, I have a win and I have a loss and I'm okay. But at least for me, I've found it usually it's better for me to take my setup and deal with the result. If I take my setup and it loses, that isn't that hard for me to handle. If I take a trade that isn't a setup and it loses, that's a little more difficult. That's more frustrating, because like I did this morning, like this trade right here, just willy-nilly. That's That bothers me a lot more than if I just take a good trade, take a good setup, and the results are a loss. Then that's fine. All right, we are getting a little bit deeper pullback here. So that's good. Let's see if we can pull back to that 440 area. I would love to go test that EMA. Just see what happens. Yeah, when I say I don't trade, I mean, I trade by discretion, but I know a good setup when I see it. But when I think of a mechanical entry, it's more like, hey, price has to come and wick through the EMA, and then it has to close above the EMA, and then above that, I take my trade. Like, I don't do that type of, it's more like, hey, this is in a clear and obvious uptrend, and now I'm waiting for a pullback with a good entry signal. And a good entry signal is like a hammer candle, and then the next candle entry once we go above that previous candle high. Like that's my entry. I could go in detail and explain and spell out exactly what a great setup looks like, but I guess I just haven't done that. But I know what it looks like. All right, here we go, boys. 440s. She's here now. Now is the time. See if we can get a good entry signal now. I'm not just going to blindly go in here. It is a little worrisome. It is a little worrisome to me that we did not make new highs. So, whoa, what in the world is this? Wow. And one of those army helicopters just went right above our house. It rattled the windows. All right. Yeah, see, now we're just pulling back even lower, and I just want to be now I don't know that I trust this. Especially if we start selling down below the 430s, hey, we just wait. We just gotta wait now. But this is looking interesting. I wouldn't be surprised. Like, this is how the market just kind of has been lately. I wouldn't be surprised if we just like roll over, like, and just go test the lows here again. That would be so typical market. It would be so typical. Oh dear. Okay, see now if we break above this, then technically I should take it. but I don't think we will. The sellers are here, folks. They are here. Dorel and John paying you a visit. I don't know. And we continue lower. Wow, look at this move. Look at her go. Look at her go, man. Down to the pivot point right here at the 410s now. Maybe we bounce off of this. Maybe not. Anybody take that short off that double top up there? It's definitely got the makings of a good short entry. Off that double top when we fail to push up higher, fail to make new highs. Basically, the entry would be like right here below the 440s, at least for me. But that'd be a pretty sick short if you took it. Alex, you took it. Nicely done. Nicely done. I just don't trust it. I don't trust those setups, but I definitely understand. I understand taking them. Yes, Kiss Me I Cook. Very nice. That's awesome. Congrats. Great trade. And we just continue lower. Wow. What a move. My PTSD took profit too early. Yeah, we always say that, don't we? We never catch the full move. Okay, now here. This is kind of interesting here. If we wicked a little bit below the pivot point. See, do I trust this? I'm going to take it, but this could be a failure. I'm not shocked if it is. I might call it a day here. If this loses, this might be some terrible trading here by Mr. Nutty Bar here today. This doesn't look good. Does not look good, folks. Oh, man. We just got destroyed. Destroyed. Man. Those, the Bears aren't kidding around. Man. Feels bad. Should have waited. Bad trading today. Bad trades. Oh, man. Wow, look at this. This is just continuing to rip. What a pull. What a reversal. See if we bounce off the VWAP. Maybe, maybe. I don't know. I don't know, man. Hmm. Yeah, maybe the 380 bounce. Yeah, the 380s would be if we wick down below. Man, oh man. Hmm. Is it gonna rip now? We don't hold VWAP. If this rips below VWAP, I mean, you gotta think we're just gonna go test these lows again. I'm trying to debate if I want to shut it down for the day or do I want to try to take one more trade? Whew. I just don't know if I have it in me to try another long. Oh, man. Now it's going to rip. Watch. Jeez. Gosh. Gonna take some deep breathing today. Some big breath, deep breathing, man. Oh. Yeah. I mean, Esther, you were pretty spot on with the 380s. Just didn't quite make it to the 380s, but it could still make it there. But oh man, I just bad man. I'm disappointed. Just bad trading today by Mr. Miller. Let's see what we do here. I still don't know if was this just an overextended pullback, or are we going to roll over and just, what was this? Looks like we're going higher. You've been doing the opposite of me and you're up 6K. Hey, congrats. Is it the same price for a reset? The reset I think is $35, yes. It does look like this was maybe just a pullback. I don't know. Now it's pulling back. How long do you think I should wait before reaching out to Apex? Passed an eval yesterday. Still haven't gotten an email for it. Okay, really? That is interesting. I mean, I don't think it would hurt. I don't think it would hurt to reach out now. I don't think that would be, because you definitely should have it by now. Haphazardness. What did he? Oh, never mind. All right, let's see. See if this is gonna rip higher. Oh, the red days always brings out the trolls. It's okay. We're a grown adult here. We can handle trolls. I just ban them. Yeah, I told you it's gonna be. Didn't I say that this morning before I even took one trade? Before I took one trade, I was like, man, I got up this morning and I just did not have a good feeling. Should have just rolled over in bed and got out of the bed the other side. Well, there she goes. I mean, I feel like I could chase this. I just don't know. I don't know. Feel like okay, here's the problem. Here's what I've started to do. I've started to ask the question before I enter a trade, am I okay taking a loss? And if the answer isn't a resounding yes, then I need to consider walking away for the day. I think that's the key to not going on tilt. I really do think so. Before you take a trade, are you okay with a loss? And if you can't immediately respond with yes, you shouldn't take the trade, and you probably should walk away for the day. Because right now, if I consider taking a trade, I'm not really willing to accept a $200+ loss. I'm not. I'm just not. Banning people helps. It jiggles the soul. I agree. Gee, nicely done, Orlando. Nicely done. What if the answer is yes? Yeah, I mean, if you ask yourself before you take a trade, ask yourself if you're willing to take a loss, and the answer is yes, then you take the trade. That's very simple. You take the trade because you've accepted the loss. And that is the best way to enter a trade is to already have accepted the loss. That way you don't go into freak out mode when it happens. But we are just grinding higher now. Looks like the bounce off VWAP was the play. We just got in a little bit too early, and I was too impatient. I mean, honestly, I should have been entering above this close of the high, and I would have not been filled had I just been more patient. And then right here, it would have been a better entry signal, and it would have worked out. Just what happens when you're impatient. Oh, Jason Webb, man, I feel you. Man, that sucks. Blowing those take profit trader accounts ain't no joke. Those are very frustrating, and they're not cheap. Hey, you got the long Sharoos? Let's go. Nicely done. Yeah, don't, guys, don't buy fresh, don't buy new evals with Apex. Don't do it. Don't do it. Use the resets, reset accounts, or wait till your older accounts rebill. Right now, the rebilling, most of it is at 80% off, and then the resets are $35. But right now, you're only going to get a 50% discount if you buy a new eval, and that, my opinion, they're going to be coming out with a new promotion here soon, hopefully over the weekend, but I guess we'll see. Yeah, Jason Webb, man, I struggle with take profit trader as well. I really do. So you're not alone. Top Step, on the other hand, I am doing a lot better. Yeah, with Top Step X and having the ability to remove the daily loss limit on Top Step X, I think makes that a pretty clear. I think that makes it better. I really do. I kind of hate to say it because I've not been a big fan of Top Step, but I gotta call it how I see it. I gotta be honest. If I'm trading Top Step X as well, yes, I am. The button to agree not to use a coupon code is very deceptive. I know some people are confused by the checkbox not to use a discount code. It is kind of deceptive, but yeah, but the reason they put it there, they used to not have that, but then people would forget, like people would forget to put a discount code in, and because of how, a lot of people when they buy evals, they're rushing through the process because it takes so long. So they're just clicking through things as fast as they can. Well, they would forget to put in the discount code, and then it would let you pay the full price. And then Apex would get pinged for refunds all the time. So now they made it so if you forget to put a discount code in, then it won't let you go to the next page. It'll say, hey, are you sure you don't want to use a discount code? And then you can check the box that, yeah, I want to pay full price, which I don't know why anyone would do that, but I hate my life right now. Oh, man, and look at this just going right back up. I am so disgusted right now. Unbelievable. I am not having a good time. This is not cool, man. Unbelievable. Ah. You did that on Buellnox once. I did it too. I did it one time on Apex where I was just clicking buttons as fast as I could. And yep, I hit the buy button and then I realized I forgot to put the coupon code in and I paid full price. I felt like an idiot. And now we're pulling back. See, do I pull a trigger? I don't know. I think I can accept another loss if I see a great setup. I'm gonna hang around. I'm gonna wait, see if we can't recover. We've done crazier things. How many accounts I have overall? You mean with Apex? I have 9. Or do you mean with Top Step? Oh. Yeah, Kilo, you would think so, right? It's not my day. They should require a coupon code unless you check I agree to no coupon. That is exactly what it is. That is what it is, Go and Trades. Like if you go to the website and you do not put a coupon code in, it won't let you buy the account. The only way you can buy it without a coupon code is if you agree to no coupon. Kilo, you caught the trade and you said this is the nutty trade. Hey, let's go. I definitely should have. I just wasn't mentally prepared to take this trade. But maybe. Oh, man. All right, we're going to pull back more. I enter with 10 contracts, but my chart is minis. How is that possible? It's because of the chart trader right here. This chart trader from Affordable Indicators right here allows you to switch like that between minis. Now I'm actually trading minis. Now I'm trading micros. All right. I mean, if we get above this, I'll take this trade, but it looks like it wants to keep going lower. Oh, with all props, I have 3 Express accounts currently. And I kind of don't want to show it because it's going well, and I'm not going to jinx it. I'm not going to jinx anything. But I will at some point. Oh. Can I trade Top Step and Apex using Rhythmic at the same time? Using Ninja Trader, here's what you have to do, Blue. You have to buy your Rhythmic accounts at Top Step and then connect with Top Step through Ninja using the Rhythmic connection. And then you need to buy Tradeovate Apex accounts and then connect Tradeovate through Ninja Trader. That's the only way you can trade Top Step and Apex at the same time. Yeah, Alex Booth. That is something like, I don't know. Wow, look at that. We are now pulling back more. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it here for a long. I think we could roll over again, test the VWAP, maybe go lower. Yeah, I guess you're right. With Quant Tower, you could. Quant Tower, you could. True. Sorry. I thought he was talking about Ninja Trader. Okay, you already have the Apex Rhythmic connected, then you would need to use Quant Tower in order to do it, because for some reason you can't connect the Tradeovate accounts with Ninja Trader through Apex or through Top Step. You can with rhythmic connections on Top Step, but you can't do it. I don't know why. You can't do multiple accounts of Trade-Evade. Don't know why. You like Trade-Evade better? Go and Trades? Yeah. I do hear a lot. I do think, yeah, I think overall Trade-Evade is more stable. All right, let's see if we continue just to go lower here. It looks like it. Down, down, down we go. It's just bleeding lower. Lots of selling. And now testing that VWAP, or testing the pivot point. Man, this thing's just bleeding lower. All right, well, we get a bounce here off the pivot point. Whew. Go hand trades. He has go hand trade. Go hand trades. Okay. You had to feed the cat. That was some expensive cat food. Hey, Nutty, can't hear you. Is anyone else having mute? I was maybe just not talking. Yeah, the ATM setup sucked, but you can use it. You can have you can have Trade-Evade accounts, but connected to your Ninja Trader. That's what I would do. Every time you move the cat, you feed the cat, the market moves. You need to let us know next time you go feed the cat. Ponzi. Hey, thanks for the sub, MJ. I appreciate that. Hey, look at that. We're over 12,400 subs. Let's go. Do I want to take this? Do I? It's literally the exact same trade I just took. Yeah, this is. I'm not going in. Cat the market maker. Yeah, trade wins. I'm glad I'm not the only one that happens to. Every time I end stream, market goes crazy. I mean, like right here is. Do I go long right here? This would be. Oh, man. Man, I could take this. Oh. Hmm. I'm just gonna wait. This looks like it might want to go. I don't know if we go through VWAP. Look out, man. All right, I guess we gotta go. We gotta do it. I got one more in me for today. That's it. We got one more. Come on, rip it. We gotta get above this EMA. Oof. What was that? I do not need this to pull back now. Come on. Need it to get above this EMA and hold it. This is gonna frustrate me. Come on, rip it. Give me a good trade. We gotta get above this VWAP. We gotta get above it. Trying to be patient here. Come on. Just rip it. Rip it. Yeah. I think it can move both ways as well. Okay, right here. Do it now. Come on. Come on. Don't pull back again. Rip it. Okay. All right. We got liftoff. Come on. Just fill my first target here. That'd be cool. You can do it. Blow on it. Man, this thing is very sluggish right now. Very sluggish. I need one of those boner candles. I need one of those 30-point boner candles to the upside, please. I need one of them green things. Do I just take some off right here? Come on. Fill me. Let's go. Okay, first target filled. Now we're talking. Rip it, baby. I'm trying to think, do I want to be greedy and trail this, or do I just take my profit here and run? Now the dreaded runner. It's exactly my thought design. I was literally thinking that. I was like, oh no, now the runner. Hey, maybe today it will be different. Hey, come on, just rip it. Come on, you can do it, market. Do it for the stream. No, what are you doing? Don't go lower. I'm going to lose my mind if this rips lower now. Here, I'm not kidding when I say I actually I'm gonna see, because if we rip through these, we could easily take this out. I'm not kidding. If we pull back here and I have another good entry signal long, I'm gonna add again. I'm gonna add to this winner. I'm worried about right here though. This is kind of. Oh, please don't just rip lower now. Don't do it. I'm having indigestion. I need Pepto-Bismol. Everybody hold. Everybody be patient. Everybody calm down. Everybody calm down. Everybody calm down. Oh, I like this. Man, I will. That's it. Trap the shorts and now rip this thing higher. That's the spirit. Rip it. I need some water. My patience is running out. Hey, Travis, how we doing? It's trying to scare me out. It's trying to scare me here. Come on. Man, this is painful. Market all of a sudden decided to just stop moving. Need a big boner candle here. Okay, here we go. Rip it. Be tempting to add right here, to be honest, but let's just break above this 450 area right now. We got to break above the 450s. You can do it. We might be in this trade for about 2 hours, the way this is going. Might be about 2 hours long. Why I should trade this with micros? Because of where my stop is. If I trade this with minis and my stop is below VWAP, I'd be looking at about a $600 risk, and I'm not willing to risk that much. What kind of sicko adds to a winner? That's funny. That's too funny. You gotta be a special kind of idiot to add to your winners. It is kind of true though, with the market chopping like this, it is definitely not always a great idea. That's too funny. Rip it. Come on, need a breakout right here. Don't be a weak. Come on. See, it can't. It just. I need it to be ripping through those 450s. It just can't do it. It's so pathetic. Anyway, I'm just going to not watch it. I'm not looking at it. I'm not going to watch. And now we pull back again. Oh my goodness. We cannot get above that 450. And I'm starting to get worried that this is going to rip a lot lower. Please prove me wrong, market. Come on, right here, right now, rip it above the 450s. Do it. Do it, and do it now. I need to stop talking. I need to stop talking to the market. Every time I talk, it goes lower. This is going to test me. Hang on. Ooh, I like when the wife stops in and gives me a donut. Makes losing feel really market. This is how we're gonna do this. Okay, I need to get my thoughts in order here. Am I actually willing to take this loss if this rips all the way down here? I am not. You guys see what the market makers just tried to do? They thought my stop was at break even. Ha. What about my new diet? That's next week. Man, this donut is extremely good. You guys take my word for it. Oh. I'm making a mess. You're right, DL. I might have spoken too soon. Man, right here I could add. I actually could add to my contract right here. Wait, you make Sarith, you make donuts for a living? Let's go. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. In Houston? Oh, wow. Come on, market. Please just go higher for once in your life. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. I like that. Keep doing it. That probably didn't sound right. I apologize. And that donut just really put me over the edge. Look at how close. Look at how the market wicked right back to my break even. I mean, I don't want to say it, but you know what I mean. Got him. We got him. Take that, market makers. You thought I was gonna fold. Get wrecked. I'm really talking. I'm talking way too confidently here. As we all know, you cannot, if you rub it in a market maker's face, they will destroy you. So I take everything back I said. Yeah, I've got sugar brain right now. It's a dangerous place to be. Uh-oh. Rip it. We need to get above that 450 level and rip it. Like, break through it like you mean it. The volume is just very low. There we go. Come on. Do it. Do it. Go, baby. Go. Go, go, go. You can do it. All right. Do we want to test the theory here? Do we? See how as soon as I moved my stop, immediately it came back. Just immediately. Okay, I'll put it back. Excuse me. We could lock in a little bit here, or we could just take our profits right here. Feel like just taking our profits is probably the smart thing to do. If we want to be smart, that's probably what we should do. We're right here at this double top. And hopefully we pull back and then maybe we can get another trade in. If I was a little more confident today, adding right here would have been a really nice add. Would have been nice. Nutty loves the bull trend. You ain't kidding. I will take it. All right, if you're still long, you should be golden right now because I'm out. If you're still long, you should be golden. This thing will move. One candle, it'll be at the new highs. Just watch. Does Apex allow trading minis and micros in the same account? Brown? Yes. Did you see as soon as I took my profit, we immediately ripped another 10 points? It's real cute market. Real cute. I'm just going to pretend like I don't know that I didn't notice. You're welcome, Mikey. You're welcome. Sometimes I take one for the team. Look at that. We're now 15 points higher since I took my profit. Just can't help itself than rubbing it in a little bit. It's all right. It's all right. We made a good trade for the first time today. First good trade of the day. I wish it was the only trade I took, but that's just not the case. How long will 85 activation be available for, Tuna? I don't know. I do not know. Look at this move. Man, oh man, I wish. Who else is thinking about donuts? Man, I gotta say, that donut was really good. Do you know if Apex considers it a DCA if you're in a micro long and it's red and then you add a mini? I'm pretty sure that they would consider that at one DCA. Obviously, you're allowed to do one DCA, but I guess I don't know. I'm not sure, wood chip, to be honest. I am not sure. Technically, would be a different instrument, so I don't know. Man. All I needed to do on this trade was just be a little more patient. Oh, that makes me sick. Everybody's thinking about donuts. I love it. Well, we would be almost at my profit target now if I would have just held. It was almost a guarantee that we go to my original target if I take my profit early, so I guess it's all right. Hey, maybe it was the donuts. The donuts gave me an extra boost of energy. Yeah, Victor. Hey, if I would have moved my stop, guys, if I would have moved my stop to break even after my first profit target, it would have hit. Look at that. Right there was my entry. It would have came down and perfectly hit my stop and then continued higher. Like, you can't make this up. That's why you don't move your stop to break even. I'm not doing it. Not saying that I would take the full loss, but I ain't moving my stop to break even. I've seen that movie too many times. Would explain top step payout process. What do when did they hire the MM for Sim? I don't know, Red Poker. I think they're just watching and making the calls, I think. If I would have taken if I would have moved your stop to break even when you took the profit. Oh, you mean the sec what? I'm not sure what you mean. Nobody wins when you break even? No. Break even doesn't feel good. All right. We are pulling back a little bit. Nothing major. Let's see. Maybe we get another entry here. Well, yeah, I would chip, but if that's the case, then why not just take your profit? In my That's kind of my thought. Pamela, I do not know for how long the 85 fee will be active. I just know it's active now, but I don't know for how long. We shall wait and see. Let's see if this rips up and makes new highs right here. Okay, there she goes. I mean, I could have taken this, I guess. I could have. Would have been pretty aggressive, but let's see. Man. We are right at the double top here. I feel like it's very risky to trade right up here. I'm not. That's kind of why I want to wait. I want to see it rip above the 480s and hold it, and then maybe we can get another entry long. But right in this area, I'm just going to wait. Man, we are having a difficult time getting above the 470s right here. Let's see if we can, maybe we pull back to the EMA here at the 450s. I wouldn't mind that. I was down 2,100 and fought back to now being exactly $1 in profit. Hey, that's a great feeling. Take the moral victory over the P&L today. Hey, I would. Right now, if I battle back to green, even if it's $1, we'll be happy. I would be happy. All right, continuing to pull back. Can we pull back to the EMA here? It's getting bought up pretty quickly here. Every time we dip, it gets bought up pretty quickly. Yeah, this looks like it's going to break up and break through. I just don't want to buy all the way up here. Don't want to buy close to double top. All right, let's see. Can we get above the 470s right here? Need to break above the 470s here, and then we test the 480s. Right now I'm just hoping we break above the 480 level, hold it, and then we can look for another long. Feel like trading in this range right here is going to be difficult. And down we go again. Choppy. If I'm muted. Oh, sorry, I'm not. I would just. No, was a dog. Hey, Mr. Knife Art in the house. Good to see you, Mr. Knife Art. By the way, where's 100 Lot? Did 100 Lot get his payout, Mr. Knife Art? Do you know? Man, I've been thinking about him a lot, and I really hope he got his payout. I know he was approved, but I haven't heard if he's if he actually got it already. And there's the pullback now down to the EMA. So now I'm kind of not sure if I want to participate here. I just rather. I feel like it gets a little tricky. Down we go, up 450s, 445s. She wants to rip it lower now, the way it looks. Pretty big red candle right there. Hmm. Man, where was my profit target actually at? I'm kind of curious. So my original profit target was at the 473 and a quarter. I'm not kidding. See the line? So right there was my original profit target. I if I would have kept holding, which I think I would have taken my profit anyway, but I mean, actually, if I would have just kept that profit target and not moved it, it would have been a couple ticks close, and I would not have gotten. I still would not have gotten filled on that profit target. Ooh, that would have been a tough look. That would have hurt. All right, let's see. Is it? This market's been just kind of weird, but right now we do have a pretty nice. We've got this trend right here. That is pretty interesting. Let's see if it holds. I asked you to hold. Uh, the only way I was positive, I waited for more pullbacks. Yeah, Sharoos, I definitely feel you on that. I feel like that lately the pullbacks got a little more fake outs on some of the pullbacks, and when that does start happening, it does start to kind of, I don't know. Sometimes you got to wait for the second pullback to get in, but we'll see. All right, let's see if this trend line holds. See if she holds. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, I think it's going lower. And right here is one of those times where I actually think like just going short right here below this trend, if we break it, would be a decent trade, but Yeah, go ahead and trades. I agree. Ricardo, what is my RR? I mean, it depends. It varies. Depends on what price is doing. Like this trade here, my risk to reward was about 1-to-1, maybe 1.5-to-1 or something like that. But it depends. Why? Why does that matter? Okay, is it gonna dump here? Ooh, looks like it's gonna dump. Maybe not. But it has the makings of a dump. Let's see. Man, it'd be tempting to jump in here, but I mean, it's holding up pretty well. Holding up pretty well here for the longs. I thought it would break down a lot more, so I mean, if we get a move above, like if we get a move above this, then I guess we can jump in and test it. Just gotta wait now. Yeah, it might. All right, it might break down here. Do you understand the market? I'm not sure. All right, maybe this can rip here. I like my entry. I like the trade here if we can rip. But we gotta get going. It doesn't feel like it wants to do it. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna cancel this. It's just bleeding. It's bleeding lower now. Trend line break. We might just pull back a lot more. It's also lunchtime. So we could just be chopping here. I hope I got it now. Yes, I got it. Man, it's tempting me to go long. Tempting me really hard. Oof. Hey, let's go. Instead of kick the guy out, you should invite him to Zoom to teach us the market, Sharoos. I don't have the brain cells to sacrifice for that. All right, let's. I mean, this looks like it's just gonna bleed lower now, and keep trapping the longs. Do it for the stream. I need another insulin pump. Honey, give me another donut. You know what? I wonder if we have another one. Because knowing my wife, she didn't just get one donut, right? You're up over 5K today, Biblical? That's awesome. Is that on a what kind of account? She already ate them. Uh-oh. Probably or my 11-year-old probably ate them. All right. We do have some support right here at the 430s. Oh man. See, I don't know why I am so convicted on trying to get a long here. I really don't need to be looking for a long. Hey, Dream Hunter, thanks for the sub. Yorkshire Reefer, thanks for the sub as well. Appreciate it. Freedom for Alberta, thanks for the sub. Appreciate that. And look at that. Yeah, I mean, there's no need to be looking for longs here. There's just no need. It's doing one of those just slow grinds lower, which can be very deflating. Every little move higher just immediately gets sold off. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, wood chip almost on tilt. That's not good. But yeah, I can imagine this kind of move lower like this is easy to go on tilt if you're long. Keeps giving you hope. It does the old hope and nope moves. And that can be very that can be very frustrating. See if this is a hope and nope again. It's trying to make a push now. Is this hope and nope or not? We got the hope right now. Let's see if we get the nope. The hope and nope. It's looking promising. We got a lot of hope. Let's see if we get the nope. Hey, she ripping, boys. Can she keep it up? Is hope and nope the middle finger? Yeah, I think so, pretty much. All right, let's see if this is the nope. We got the hope, and let's see if this is the nope. The hope, and now the nope. Oh, this is, if you're long, this is maddening. Hope and then nope. I'm sorry, it's not funny if you're long. I apologize. Aggressive short at 440? Okay. All right. I'm down. Good luck there, DL. Good luck. I don't hate it. I don't hate it, but if this rips higher now, it's not going to be looking too good. Okay, let's see if this keeps going. Yes, I do prefer the 2-minute chart. Just a personal preference. It's trying to... The Bulls are putting in a little more effort on this, but we still are in the hope and nope scenario. We are currently sitting at the nope. Nope is playing out. Let's see if it rips. Oh, here comes the nope. They got the hope. Now we got the nope. That feels bad for you guys that are long. I feel really bad. Hey, take care, Namak. Take care. Why any specific reason? Not really, just personal preference. Well, there we go. Here's the hope and nope is playing out once again. Now, can we get below the 420s, 430s here? We do have some support here at the 430s, so... You're out at 35? Nice. Nicely done. You're not sure what's better today, the hopium or nopium? Yeah, I don't know either. Right now, it's just bleeding this thing lower. Down to the 430s now. Here we go. Let's see if this holds. We are down through the 430s. Can she keep pushing lower? Here she goes. Maybe we go test that VWAP once more. Down through the 427s, 6s now. And here we go. 426s, 425s. DL, you're looking hot. You're looking good. Let's see if we can test that 420 area right here. The hope and nope. The hope and nope is in full effect right now for the longs. How low will she go? All right, there we come. 425s, 422s, 421s. Can she go? Come on, go down through the 420s for DL. Can you do it? 422s. See if we get through the 420s here. Did not quite get to that 420. Hey, we're in the hopium phase. Everybody hold on. Here's the hope phase. The hope is back. The hope is back in play. If I'm reconsidering copy trading, yeah, I've been copy trading now for almost a month. And I wouldn't say that it's been a success. It's been pretty much flat. I'm not making the progress that I would like to see, but I'm just going to be patient, try to take my setups, and just going to be patient for now. Make hope great again. You know what? I sent John. I told John from Apex. I told him that they should run a campaign, and they should name the campaign MAGA. Do a MAGA campaign. The MAGA campaign, and it's Make Apex Great Again. So if they come out with that, you know where it came from. Make Apex great again. You covered at 423. Let's go, DL. Nicely done. Love to see it. We're in the hope phase. Let's see if we get the hope and nope again. Go and trades. Speaking of, no sale right now. Nope, no sale, I guess. I guess we wait. I mean, I assume. I'm not going to assume because I have no idea, but I'm sure there will be some sale coming next week. I'm pretty sure. Or I would be shocked if there wasn't. All right, let's see. This might not give them, not much hope has been given here. The hope has been pretty short-lived. Yeah, Sharoos, I'm hoping that is changing, Sharouz. I have talked to John now, and I have relayed my concerns, and for the most part, he agreed. And he agreed that they need to do better, and they are going to work on it. So we shall see. Jenna. One is not related to the other, hopefully. Okay, maybe we have some more hope here. It's trying to bring back the hope. Tesla's below 220, no bounce on the robo taxi. Yeah, I saw a little bit of that. So if they go back to 7 days to pass, I don't know. I guess maybe. I don't know. I mean, I guess we'll see. Yeah, you can get 50% off right now if you use whatever code you use, but obviously wait. Don't buy evals right now. Like wait for a promotion. You're going to get a better deal. Yeah, go and trades. I mean, they definitely grew too fast, but there's ways like their communication to their customer base was really, really bad. Really, really bad. Elon is dreaming. Yeah, I kind of agree. Like, I don't know. I think we're 5 years away, maybe more, from kind of the vision that he has. I think. I don't know. It's interesting though. It is interesting. But this market is not, I mean, this is pretty bad here. Just nothing happening. Hey, there goes yes, actually, we did hit 420 just by a tick. But we took out 420. Yeah, the Cybertruck, I don't see how that. Right now the Cybertruck is just cool because there's not that many of them. But in a couple years from now, it's going to be like the Hummer. You remember when the Hummer was cool and everyone thought, and everyone wanted to have a Hummer? Now it's just like, oh, I mean, it's like no big, it's like, I don't know, kind of cringy actually. Yeah, I agree. Starlink is awesome. I am totally down with Starlink. Man, this market is just not doing anything. I'm about ready to go. I'm trying to think if I want to call it. I have a meeting with the bank, and I have a meeting with the bank. Man, this thing is just bleeding lower like crazy. These are some of the most frustrating trades. These are some of the most frustrating trades to be in if you're long. Imagine I would still be long from this trade. I'd be so upset right now. We will have all-time high in the next few days. I mean, might be. I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised, but also wouldn't be surprised to see a little bigger pullback. Like on the daily, like right here on the daily chart, we're kind of double topping up here, and we could pull back again this area before we go higher. But obviously, I don't know. Who knows? No one knows. Don't want to be negative, but was pretty sure I'd have a duddy Friday. Yeah, I kind of felt the same way heading into it. Sometimes when you have that feeling, maybe it's best just to walk away and not trade, maybe, I guess. All right, we're below the 420s now. Just continuing this slow, steady trend lower. Nothing crazy, but just bleeding lower. There we go. Now testing the 415s. How low will she go? All right, we're right at that pivot point. We're just continuing to go lower. Oh, it's crazy. I am just so not interested right now in trading. The trick is no one forcing anyone to trade except Apex. What are you talking about, Equalizer? You have to trade with Top Step every 5 days of $200, and you have to do that with My Funded Futures. And second of all, you don't have to trade. You don't have to trade if you don't want. You can wait. You can trade the next day. What am I missing? Trading ever after what? Has been 5 days. Apex does not pay out right away. They take money right away, but can't pay out in less than 7 days. I mean, trading ever after, I'm sure if you freak out, it will help. I mean, just you will get it unless you put in your information wrong. I have seen that happen. I have seen people put their routing number in the account number field and the account number in the routing field. I have seen that numerous times, and then people freaking out that they're not getting paid. So but I'm just saying that I've seen it. I've seen that happen 2 different times. And people they swore up and down that they did everything right. And Apex just doesn't want to pay. And I submitted the ticket and I asked the Apex to look into it, and surprise, they put in the wrong banking information. If you filled everything out correctly, then you will get paid. Trust me. All right, we did touch the VWAP. The VWAP. No crying in futures. But trading ever after, if you're still not paid on Monday, let me know and I'll look into it and we'll see. It might have been you filled out something wrong. Hey, we got our first high above. Wow. Okay, maybe this wants to make, or is this another hope and nope situation? It's a hope and nope, folks. Hope and then nope. We got the hope. Now we're getting the nope. Now we chilling. Yeah, if we get one more push down, DL, you'll get it. I mean, I kind of like that. I mean, we were so close to that 405. We might get a first bounce here. We might. And now we're getting this is the first real move we've gotten in the last hour as far as the bulls. Maybe just wanted to tickle. It wanted to tickle the VWAP. It wanted to tickle the VWAP. That's all it wanted to do. Tickle, tickle. Let's see if we can get above the EMA here, but this is definitely looking bullish. This looks like the first bullish move since we've started grinding this lower. Okay, we bumped our head against this VWAP. Or EMA, I mean. Man, it'd be tempting actually to short this. All right, here we go. Let's see if this is the push. We got the hope. Here comes the nope. Okay, here we go. See if we rip through the VWAP here. This was just another hope and nope. Another hope and nope situation. Yeah, moving the stop back to the nope. Okay, we wicked through, but can we get a follow through here or not? Here goes. There it goes. 205's hit. Will she continue? Yeah, the hope and nope strategy. Hey VR, how are we doing? Nice trade, DL. Nice trade. Yeah, I know, Black Coffee. I know, man. Been there, done that. All right, now if we rip this higher, like if we rip this higher above this 427s, I kind of am interested in taking a long stab, but man, it's just been so bearish, this trend. If I wanted to be really aggressive, I would have an entry right here. Right here. You know what? I'm gonna take it. I mean, I like it. We're just gonna take our first one off right here at the VWAP at the EMA. Hopefully we can rip through. Hopefully. If we don't, we're gonna be in trouble. Okay, there we go. Now we just need it to rip. Just need this to get above the EMA. Gotta get above it. Come on. Rip it. Rip it. Do it. Come on, Bulls. Get in here. Come on. Gotta go. Gotta rip here. Okay. Rip it. Let's go. Do I want to hold? Yeah, I'm gonna hold for this move. I'm gonna hold. Come on. Come on, Bulls. Rip it. Love it. Loving it. Rip it. Give me that boner candle. Come on. I like it. By the way, DL, your 405s would have been that was a great exit on a short and also a great entry on a long. That was pretty sick. Looks like you sold at the very, or you not sold. You covered at the very bottom. Don't you love that? See, now this is where I start to debate if I'm getting greedy or if I should just take my profits here. But I'm gonna hold on here. I'm looking for a bigger. We're halfway there. We're halfway to our target. I'd love to get this profit target hit without any pullbacks, but we are probably going to have to sit through at least one pullback. At least one pullback on this trade, so let's just mentally prepare for it. Hey, Hannah JL, thanks for the sub. I appreciate it. Rip it. Do it. Rip it. Just go. Go, baby. No pullbacks needed. Just straight up. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Do it. Go, baby. Right here's my only concern. This right, the 450 level. You know what? We're going to take our profit at the just below the 450s. Feel it. Hit me. Hit me. Go, baby. Go, baby. This is going to be... No, 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 no. This is where it could get a little dicey here, folks. It could get dicey. Just rip it. Fill me and let's move on. Ah. No. Hmm. Come on, market. Don't be difficult here. I just don't want to see a big pullback. Mm-hmm. This is gonna hurt my soul. Oh, I'm doing what I said not to do, and if I regret this, I'm going to be so disappointed. No. Oh, if this stops, this is not cool, man. I'm seriously considering just... Hmm. I might be making a mistake here, but I still like the trend higher. If we go lower, I'm just going to have to accept the loss. You gotta be kidding me. Come on. This is not good. Yeah, yikes. Ouch. I'm in pain. I'm in pain. I'm just not. I just can't let that thing go against me and turn me red. We get a bounce here, great. But if not, I guess I just gotta close it. Gosh, that is so disappointing. So disappointing. Man. Ay, 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 ay. Come on. Come on. Rip it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Okay, this is good. We can just keep or stop right here. Oh. Let's please, whatever we do, let's not go back to the hope and nope trend. Okay? Hope and nope trend here will kill me. It will slowly kill me. Rip it, baby. Hey, Alpine gave me a shout out. Let's go. Hey, UK Futures Trader, how we doing? Rip it. Come on, we need new highs here. Just go, baby. Hey, I'm doing great, UK Futures Trader. How about you? Yes, I am down for the day. That is correct. Your assessment has been done correctly. But you know what? It ain't over till it's over. It ain't over till it's over. Right here, if I was being aggressive, either aggressive or dumb, I'm not sure, I would add right here. I would add 2 contracts literally right here, but I'm not I'm not in the mood to inflict max pain. Let's pump it, rip it, rip it, rip it. How much am I down? Just right here. Rip it. Come on. This is it. This is it. Let's go. Imagine I was so close to closing this trade. It's not even funny. I was so close to closing this trade right here that look at this. It again. It came right back in precisely to my entry. You can't make this up. It's crazy. Now, we do not need a red candle here. That is not what the doctor ordered. Get your butt back up there, market. Excuse me for saying something about not getting stopped out. I must have spoke too soon. If it stops me out here, we're actually going to have some problems. But yeah, we have I've noticed today we have a little more experts and professionals in the chat today than normal. I'm not sure why, but somehow people are like a lot of professionals in the chat. Oh, here we go again. Here we go again. Stupid market just doesn't want to listen. Oh, okay. You know what? I'm ready, market. Take me. I'm ready. Go ahead and take me. Go ahead. I'm ready. I've accepted it. Go ahead and do it. I'm a man. I can take it. I can't believe it. I can't believe that didn't hit. That really does suck. It's unfortunate. Had a chance to just take my profit there. I had a chance. But it ain't over yet. Don't just hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. Hold up. What time is it? 1 o'clock? Oh. Rip. Talk about frustrating. Talk about a frustrating trade. Hey, the fat lady was humming, but she hasn't started singing yet. Everybody hold. Everybody hold. I mean, oh my gosh, this thing is crazy. I mean, my entry right here, you talk about the Great Wall of China. My entry is the Great Wall of China right now. You love to see it. Come on now, rip it. Come on, bulls. I shouldn't have said anything. I should have been quiet. Now it's going to rip lower and stop me out. Hey, like I said, I've accepted my fate. I have fully accepted. You can take me now, market. I'm ready. Go ahead. You know what? I just realized remember I said I have an appointment with the bank? Funny story. My appointment is at 1:30. Yikes. I might not make it. I wonder how important. It is a pretty important meeting, though. I almost need to go. Dang it. It's going to stop me. It's going to stop me out. We all know it. Just do it. Get it over with. Here it is. Oh, hold on. Again, the Great Wall of China held up. The Great Wall of China is holding up. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go change. I'm going to go change, and then I'm going to come back, and we're either going to be at my profit target or I stopped, and then I have to end stream because I actually have to go. And then I guess I'll just update you guys on the recap video on what happened to this trade because I actually have to go. It takes me 10 minutes to get to the bank, and I'm already going to be late. I'll be back. Are you serious? What am I going to do now? I mean, it's going to stop me out here. It has to, right? There it is. Oh, it was inevitable. Inevitable. That's unfortunate. That is unfortunate. We literally... that's a... Man, I don't know how to feel, but I got to run. That's unfortunate. Disappointing day. All right, guys. Thanks, everyone, for tuning in. Appreciate everyone. Hit the like button on your way out. I got to run. We'll be back Monday. Take care, and God bless.